Today I'm going to teach you how to do a very easy 2-row repeat pattern. This is a great summer stitch for like summer tops, cardigans, or anything like that. So you can start with any hook, any yarn you want. Just make sure that when you're picking the hook that you pick a hook that matches the size of the yarn. You can chain however many you want for this project. That's what I like about it so much, that you don't have to chain a certain amount. So you're gonna start in the second chain from the hook and make a half double crochet, so that means yarn over. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through the last 3. This is gonna be repeated to the end of the row. And just repeat it to however many chains you have, whether you're making a blanket or anything like that. At the end of the row, you are going to chain 1 and turn your work. And then you are going to place 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And this is the reason I'm using my light up crochet hook. It's just a little dark outside today and I'm using a brown yarn, so it's a little difficult to see. Single crochet all the way across. For this row, you're gonna just make 1 single crochet in each stitch, which is simple enough. So you just get insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. That's it for a single crochet stitch. I really like this pattern because it's very beginner friendly. And it looks like very intricate pattern, but it really isn't. At the end of the row, you are going to chain 1 and turn your work. And you're going to start with a half double crochet in the very first stitch. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. That's it. Repeat this till the end of the row. And I did choose a crochet hook that was slightly larger and it made a more lacy pattern, but in a minute here I'm going to show you what it looks like if you use a tighter crochet hook. I think both ways look great, but if you're looking for like that summer really flowy pattern, you're going to want to choose a larger crochet hook. And I'm using a DK weight 3 yarn, so 5.5 millimeter made it really flowy, so I recommend that. Next, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and make another row of single crochets. That is your repeat. Like I said, 2-row repeat, really simple. Half double crochet row, single crochet row. That is it. So simple, so easy, and works up quite quickly. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like with a tighter crochet hook. Here's what it looked like when I worked it up with a 4 millimeter, and I think it looks really well, but I prefer the larger crochet hook, like I said, for that lacy pattern. Let me know what hook you guys choose to use and what you're going to use this pattern for. Let me know down in the comments below. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.